All right, once again. So this is all the parts that you need to pull out if you want to put the new light, new headlight. All the bolts all over. As you see, this has to almost remove, the whole front bumper from the top to the bottom. So there's lots of bolts and clips in the top and underneath. And then what do we have here now? This is the whole the new light and the old one. You see here, this light has a hole on it. You see, it's broken from here. And then, okay, wait, we're going to see where this light come from. All right, as I see. Okay, hold on. All right, this is made in Mexico. The light for a Tesla. So it's doing good. It's a original manufacturer, made in from Mexico. So we're going to see the new replacement about that. Okay, so this is the new one, the new light. This is the new one. So this light must come from okay. I guess it's okay, hold on. All right, so there's a new one from China, made headlight, driver's side from a Tesla. Yeah. So it's all depend, your budget but seems to me like must be a good deal. I don't know how much is the price for the new one, but so the new one is from China, and the original OEM is from Mexico. All right, so here we have a small hole, as you see here. So see my little. So then we are going to install the new light, and we'll see how long it's going to take and put this car back on business. So thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned on our little journey. All right, check. Thank you very much, and bye-bye.